Namaste to all of you. Today we shall get idea about the human eye as per a standard of class 10. This is the figure of a human eye. If we start from this one, retina, optic nerve, vitreous humor, cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, crystalline lens and ciliary muscle. Let us get idea about this eye as per the standard of class 10. The human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. It enables us to see the wonderful world and the colors. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen called the retina. This is the retina. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. This is the cornea. It forms the transparent bulge on the front surface of the eyeball. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. This is the shape of an eye. The diameter of eye is just around 2.3 centimeter. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. The crystalline lens, this is the crystalline lens, this is the crystalline lens, merely provides the final adjustment of focal length required to focus objects at different distances on the retina. We find a structure called the iris behind the cornea. Behind the cornea, we have new structure in the human eye, that is the iris. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The eye lens forms an inverted real image on the retina. This is the retina. This is the pupil. Optic nerve. This is the optic nerve. send the generated electrical signal during the formation of image at the retina to the brain. The brain interprets this signal. The vitreous humor, this is the vitreous humor, the transparent watery gel-like substance that fills the space in the center of the eye. Spanning from behind the lens of the eye to the retina. At last, we see what is the aqueous humor. The aqueous humor is a transparent water-like fluid similar to plasma but containing low protein concentrations. It is secreted from the ciliary body. So these are the most important part of the human eye. Once again I repeat: retina, optic nerve, vitreous humor, cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, crystalline lens. So in the next class I shall try to discuss about, or I shall try to discuss about this part of the human eye. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much to watch and listen this content. If you have any problem, then write into the comment box. I shall try to resolve your problem. Once again, I thanks to all of you.